Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best dry erase paint is probably one of the most versatile and creative ways to transform your home or office space, turning any wall into a giant whiteboard perfect for brainstorming, planning, teaching, or simply expressing your creativity. This video will help you navigate the world of dry erase paints, exploring the top contenders on the market and helping you choose the perfect one to suit your needs and budget, so you can unleash your inner artist or productivity guru. Number 5. Kassa Whiteboard Wallpaper. It's so easy to use. Just peel, stick, and you've got a perfect surface for all your ideas. Ideal for home, school, or the office. Transforming your space is a breeze. Simply peel off the backing and apply it to any smooth surface. No mess, no fuss. It comes with everything you need. You get a large roll of wallpaper and 5 colorful markers to get started. This wallpaper is reusable and removable, erasing cleanly without leaving residue. It's also water-resistant and durable. It makes a great gift. Plus, it's easily customizable, just cut it to any shape or size you need. What we like? It's incredibly easy to apply, simply peel and stick. Everything you need is included in the box, making it a convenient and hassle-free option. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to add a dry erase surface to your space, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The product is super easy to install, it cuts cleanly and has lines on the back for easy measuring. Turned out well. There are some bumps you can see in the pics from the textured wall, but it does not bother me at all. Slowly but surely we got it applied without any measurable air bubbles. Number 4. HAMIGAR Whiteboard Sticker. Transform any wall into a functional whiteboard with ease. It's the perfect solution for home or office use. Simply peel and stick. The grid backing makes cutting to size a breeze. It's that simple. Say goodbye to stubborn marks. It erases cleanly, even after a month, ensuring a pristine surface every time. Get the functionality of a whiteboard without the high cost. It's perfect for renters and homeowners alike. It's a cheap, durable, and easy-to-install alternative to traditional whiteboards. Plus, no chalk dust. For best results, ensure your wall is clean and flat. Peel and stick simultaneously, and use a bit of dish soap for extra clarity and longevity. What we like? Applying this is a breeze, and its grid design makes cutting easy. It's designed to prevent ghosting, ensuring a clean erase every time. If you are on a budget but still want high quality, this is a great option for you. What people say. Turned my closet door into a massive whiteboard with this stuff. It's my favorite thing. No ghosting, tested with standard dry erase expo markers, and is sticky and easy to cut. It is very easy to apply, took us 10 minutes or less. It stuck well on 99% of the surface and we are very happy to be using. Super useful and looks good. I cut this product into 2 pieces. It sticks great to my wall. The dry erase markers wipe off easily every single time. Number 3. Rust-Oleum 241140 Dry Erase Paint. Transform any surface into a dry erase board with this amazing paint kit. It's perfect for home or office use. Use it on walls, doors, cabinets, even toy chests. It's incredibly versatile and easy to apply. It dries to the touch in just 1 hour, so you can get back to using your surface quickly. Cleanup is a breeze with soap and water. This kit provides excellent coverage. 2 coats will cover up to 55 square feet. That's a lot of erasable space. Simply mix the 2 parts and apply with a brush or roller. For best results, make sure to read the instructions before you begin. It creates a smooth, hard, glossy finish that will last. Let it cure for 3 days before writing on it for optimal results. With Rust-Oleum dry erase paint, unleash your creativity and make any surface writable and erasable. What we like? This paint can transform various surfaces into dry erase boards. It offers a durable and long-lasting finish. If you need to create a large dry erase area, this is your best bet. What people say. The final product is great. It's not as clean of a finish as a separate whiteboard, but it works very well. It went on nicely. It erases so easily. It still looks completely brand new after a month of school with me and the kids writing on it daily. I haven't had to use any Expo cleaner on it at all. Black dry erase works perfect. Some colors may be harder to remove. Stick with standard dry erase markers. No low order or highlighters. Number 2. Rust-Oleum 284637 Dry Erase Paint. Transform any surface into a dry erase board with this amazing paint kit. It's perfect for adding a fun and functional element to your home or workspace. Simply mix the two parts and apply it using a brush or roller. It dries to the touch in just 1 hour, making it quick and convenient to use. Use it on walls, doors, cabinets, or even craft projects. It's incredibly versatile and can be used on a variety of surfaces. Once cured, it provides a smooth, hard, glossy finish that's built to last. It's also easy to clean with soap and water. This kit covers up to 55 square feet with just 2 coats, giving you great value for your money. Get creative and transform your space. For best results, always read the instructions carefully before use and allow the surface to cure completely for 3 days before writing on it. What we like? It's a clear coat that can turn any surface into a dry erase board. It provides a smooth, hard, glossy finish that is durable and long-lasting. If you want to customize an existing surface, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say? The final product is great. It's not as clean of a finish as a separate whiteboard, but it works very well. It went on nicely. It erases so easily. It still looks completely brand new after a month of school with me and the kids writing on it daily. I haven't had to use any Expo cleaner on it at all. Black dry erase works perfect. Some colors may be harder to remove. Stick with standard dry erase markers. No low order or highlighters. Number 1. Whiteboard wallpaper stickers. Transform any surface into a whiteboard with our innovative peel and stick whiteboard wallpaper. It's the perfect solution for adding writable space wherever you need it. Each roll is generously sized at 8 by 4 feet, providing ample writing space. The high-quality PET material ensures it's durable and long-lasting. Removing it is easy. Use a hairdryer to soften the adhesive, and it will peel off cleanly, leaving minimal residue after 2 months. Application is a breeze. Simply peel and stick to any clean, smooth surface. For larger areas, 2 people working together is recommended. It's not just for walls, use it on tables, doors, or even your fridge. Cut it into smaller pieces for individual use. Your purchase includes 9 long-lasting markers, 2 cleaning cloths, and 2 self-adhesive hooks for convenient storage. What we like? This offers a huge writing area and comes with extra markers. The high-quality material ensures no residue is left behind after erasing. If you need a large, durable dry erase surface and don't want to deal with residue, this is for you. What people say? It takes 2 people to install a 8 by 4 if you want it straight and smooth, but it has been super useful and applying it to our wall has worked out. The adhesion hasn't had any issues. It doesn't keep any of the marker on it and wipes clear with no residue. The whiteboard looks great and works as it should. It is definitely a 2-person job to put it up on the wall because it's a bit awkward to make sure it stays even and bubble-free while smoothing it on the wall. Our granddaughter loves writing and drawing on it. Thick. Adheres well to clean surface, even lawn wood grain panel. Does not go stinking, still wipes clean. I found it useful to unroll out and leave it flat for 24 to 48 hours to decurl prior to application. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.